Assalamu alaikum, my dear listener. How are you all? Thank you. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I am glad to be here. It is a great pleasure for me to say something before you. And actually, I'm not a participant. I'm here for informing about English fantasy. So, English Fantasy is a famous institution for learning English. It is situated at Mohammadpur in Dhaka, and it is renowned for spoken English and phonetics, IELTS, and so on. And our honorable teacher, Rajan sir, founder and chief instructor of English Fantasy, he has been uh, he has been teaching English more than 8 years, and after that he has established an institute named English Fantasy. In English Fantasy, there are uh, about 20 experienced teachers who are learning English very easily and with fun activities. And the success rate of English Fantasy is excellent. And I'm a student of English Fantasy, so I can say English Fantasy is environment, exceptional environment. And so, because any student won't be able to speak in Bangla, after it is prohibited. After that, if any student speak in Bangla, he has to pay fine. So, I can say it is our good rules for learning English, for of English Fantasy, and also I can say um, we can communicate anywhere is with others by using English. So we have to learn English. And last of all, in according to me, if you wanna know about English Fantasy, so you can call of our English Fantasy information desk. So thank you very much for listening me and for the time being.